Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Pantech Solutions and Why is Wait, and I warmly welcome you all for the series Artificial Intelligence Masterclass Day 1. And in this Day 1, we are going to be covering a lot more stuff. Especially, we are going to get a clarity about what is meant by data science, what is meant by data analytics, what is meant by machine learning, what is meant by deep learning, what is meant by natural language processing. If you really want to become a data scientist, what are all the skills you need to get, and what are all the job roles you can apply for. So likewise, it is going to give complete clarity about the doubt which is running in your mind, because I hope you all people are experiencing that. So you just tell me, like, how many people are experiencing, like, Sanjay, a lot of people are talking about data analytics, data science, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, NLP, chatbots. A lot of people are talking about this, but I really don't know what is the difference between one versus another, like data analytics versus the data scientist, machine learning versus deep learning. So I really don't know what is the difference between that. So if this kind of doubt which is running in your mind, you just post yes, Sanjay, it is running Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay. So before going on to the session, I would like to give some clarity to you. Guys, this 30 days is not gonna be the usual online program which is happening out there, because on each and every online program which is happening out there, they used to teach like more theoretical, less practical. But in this 30 day series, each and every day you are going to build a project. We are learning based on application based learning, which means like you are going to learn a concept, you are going to learn a programming syntax, and you are going to build a project. Okay, so don't worry about Sanjay, I don't have enough programming skills. I haven't done programming yet. I'm not coming from computer science background. Don't worry, guys, because in this 30 days, I'm gonna be teaching each and every stuff from the scratch. Okay, are you guys all excited for this today's session? Guys, this session, this series is gonna be super interactive. So you can ask whatever you really want, and each and every day Q&A is also gonna be conducted on the Q&A part. You can ask your question. Until then, you can hold on your questions. So if you guys are super excited for this today's session, you just post "I'm super excited, Sanjay" in your live chat. So before going on to the session, I would like to welcome some of the people here. Rinisha, hi. Akbar, hi. Surender, hi. Madan Raja, hi. Saranan, hi. Anandu, hi. Vasim, hi. Swag, hi. Amrita, JH Platform, Kirti, Julie, Ranjit, Ismat, Mohit Agarwal, Anil Kumar, Bhuvnesh, and Faiz Khan. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting good evening. The chats are really running very fast. Okay, thank you so much. Technical Gaming, Prachiti, Uppara Charan, Tamal Selvan, Ankit Kumar, Arjun, Abhishek, Zahir. Thank you so much, guys. There are a lot of people are running. They're just writing a lot more stuff. Thank you so much, Pragya, Santosh, and Prajakta. Thanks a lot, guys. Hello, everyone. Hi. Thank you so much. A lot of people are mentioning my name even. Good evening, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Janani, for posting. Super excited. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for people who are all posting. Super excited. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, so let us go to the session. Before that, there is some announcement is there. So announcement is just about attendance link. So each and every day, attendance link will be shared in between the live session. Okay, so I'm not going to specify the time. So at the sometimes the attendance link will be posted at the live chat. Okay, so that's why please attend the whole session so that you will know when the attendance is being posted. Okay, so attendance link will be available in between the live session. So it is going to be posted in the live chat. You just want to fill out the attendance form each and every day. So the people who are having a minimum of 25 days of attendance, those people are going to get free artificial intelligence e-certificate. Okay, so free e-certificate, that participate, the people who attended minimum of 25 days, those people are going to get free certificate. And today's session, because today's session is really huge, because we really want to get complete clarity about the studies and the concepts and everything. And also we are going to create a chatbot by ourselves, guys. How many of you people really waiting to create a chatbot by yourself today's session? So today that is also a hands-on. So how many of you people are really excited? So if you are really wanted to create, if you are really if your eyes are really wide opening while listening, like I'm going to create a chatbot today. So how many of you people are really feeling really happy? So if you are feeling really happy, you just post "I'm happy, Sanjay" in your live chat. Yes, today we are going to create a chatbot. So that's why today's session is going to be around 90 to more than a little bit. Okay, so 10-minute session, and stay till the end. So the people who are all going to only stay till the end, only those people are going to get today's material. Okay, material in the sense like PowerPoint presentation or mind map. Those things will be shared only for the people who are all staying till the end. Okay, so let us begin the session. So before that, the people who are all going to stay till the end, there is also another opportunity to win amazing gift. Okay, I'm going to provide an amazing gift for the people who are all going to fill up some of the questions, which is going to be questioned from the session which we are going to cover today. So from that, we are going to choose some of the participants to give or to provide that amazing gift. Okay. So only thing you need to do is you just want to attend this today's whole day session, and please answer those 5 very simple questions. Okay. So that you are going to get an opportunity to get an amazing gift. Okay. I hope you will stay. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that I'm happy, Sanjay. Happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. A lot of people are posting happy. Thank you so much. Okay, so before going on to our technical session, I really want to share some information to you. What is that? Okay, something which is really needed for each and every people, even though you are a student, or like you are a school student, or you are a college student, you may be a faculty, you may be working in some other company, you may be a researcher, so you may be any person. Definitely we need to learn something. So if you are not upgrading ourselves, definitely we are going to be in the down, so we are going to be completely outdated, so it is really useless, right? So each and every people want to learn something, but as a common people, we all have some problem in learning, guys. I'll tell you what. Okay, you just tell me, will you agree to this point or not? First point, if there is more content, for an example, if you are going to take this session for 5 hours, if I'm going to take the session for 12 hours, if I'm going to take the session for 24 hours, definitely you won't stay. Okay, so if there is more content, you won't learn. And if it is very hard, for an example, if I'm using a lot of technical words, if it is not a very easy English, so if you can't able to understand those stuff, definitely you won't learn. You will leave the session. And third thing, if you are learning something and you can't able to build a project by yourself, that is really useless, right? So we need to build the project by yourself once you are completing certain course. So less application. If there is very less application, you won't learn. And not interactive. If you are not interacting with your instructor, okay, if you are not interacting with your instructor and your instructor is not replying you, so this kind of stuff, definitely you won't learn. You will be feeling boring. Okay, Sanjay is not interacting. He's just simply taking classes. He is not listening to me. So definitely you will feel boring. All right, not interactive and not precise. If the content is not precise, I'm talking like blah blah blah, a lot of time, definitely you will feel boring. So how many of you people are really agreeing to this point? If you all agree to this point, you just post I agree, Sanjay, in your lecture. These are all the problems in learning. More content, hard to learn, less application, not interactive, not precise. If these are all the problem, problems in the learning. And additionally, people used to tell Sanjay problem is lack of information. Guys, I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. So people used to tell Sanjay problem is lack of information. If you are asking the same question before 10 years back, definitely problem might be a lack of information. But now the problem is not a lack of information, guys. What is the exact problem is? Problem is information overload. Why I'm telling? Because you just go to the Google. Okay, if I'm typing something like artificial intelligence, just see here how many results I'm getting, right? Just see here how many results we are getting. So it is really like more number of results. So even you are typing machine learning or deep learning, artificial intelligence in Google or in a YouTube. So wherever you are typing there, you used to get millions and millions of results. So that's why I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. Problem is information overload. There are more information. We really can't able to identify which one is really precise and which one is really effective and where we can learn very simply. So these are all the problems, guys. And on that aspect, what people actually need is a clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. So clear-cut, precise. Our content need to be completely precise and it need to be implemented properly with a clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. That's where you are. You are going to learn everything based on application. For an example, if you want to learn a convolutional neural network, one deep learning project, we are going to work on a project like image classification, Thanos versus Joker classification, leaf disease classification. So likewise, we are going to learn everything based on a project. So once you have completed this 30 days, you may have nearly like 20 plus project in your hand. You may drop it in your resume, so it is gonna be super valuable. Okay, so I hope you really love this. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Then about us. So it's my honor to give introduction about our organization. So while talking about our organization is not like normal coaching company, because if you're talking about a Pantech Solutions, it has been started on 2004. It's almost nearly like 17 years as a product-based company. We used to manufacture like more than 300 plus products, especially because we are a product-based company. We used to manufacture a lot of projects, as well as a lot more stuff like sensors and modules and those stuff. We used to sell it to a lot of colleges. Even I think you may see some kind of kit which is available in your colleges, especially electrical and electronics. The name called this logo you might see. Okay, in some colleges, most of the colleges in all over India, as well as we also used to sell a lot of products like to other countries too. So and also we explored a lot of technology, guys, because we started with like normal microprocessor, microcontroller, FPGA board, CPLBs board, DSP boards, and like renewable energy lab equipments and robotics, artificial intelligence, and So these kind of things like augmented and virtual reality. So likewise, we guys have explored a lot more technology and brain computer interface technology, of course. So likewise, we have a lot of technological expertise. And now, and the recent year, we guys have started our company, another new company called Warriors Way, where we are used to teach or we used to share our 17 years of experience to you guys. Okay, so 17 years as a product based company, we used to have a lot of knowledges, those knowledges we are providing in terms of courses in a very very affordable price and even free as well. So we are just transferring our 17 years knowledge to you guys via the Warriors Way company. So we are not only going to teach you the skill set, as well as you are going to get mindset coaching and money making coaching, so a lot more stuff which is really waiting for you. Okay, so now what you will learn, guys, while talking about AI, I'll tell you and I'll teach you what are all the branches and every stuff. But first of all, first the 2 days. So first day we are going to be covering up the basics about AI, ML, DL, data science, data analytics and every stuff. And also we are going to create a chatbot today. And tomorrow we are going to move on to the Python. So how to use a Python, how to install a Python, how to uninstall a Python, how to start writing a program. So likewise, every step I'm going to be teaching completely from the scratch. You don't need any prior knowledge. Okay, if you are having a laptop, you can practice, or else you can simply watch a session and you can take a notes and you can later you can practice that, guys. Okay, and then we are moving on to the computer vision, where we used to have a lot of projects. You just see here what are the projects are there: moving object detection, face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition, and then machine learning. So while talking about the machine learning, here we have fake news detection, AI snake game. And in the deep learning, here we have a project like image classification, hand gesture recognition, leaf disease detection. You just see here how many projects out there. All right. So natural language processing, we have 2 projects, and final 2 days is gonna be a bonus like AI in clouds. How can we use AI in clouds? How can you use AI in hardware? So these are like 30 days. So how many of you people are really wanted to do these kind of project? Okay, how many of you people are really excited? So if you are excited to learn, you just post ETL Sanjay in your live chat. So excited to learn Sanjay in your live chat. So you are going to do a lot of project on the upcoming 30 days, guys. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting super ready, super ready, super ready. Guys, no need to tell present. It is looking like really childish. Okay, don't need to do that. Attendance link will be available in the live chat. So once it is available, you can click the link and you can post your attendance. Okay, until then, please don't tell like presidents kind of thing. Okay, so yeah, so it's me, guys. So myself, Sanjay, I'm working as a product manager in Pantech Solutions. First of all, I started my career in brain computer interface technology. I hope you all people all know Elon Musk, right? So how many of you people really know Elon Musk? So if you know the Elon Musk and his technology called brain computer interface technology with the company which is Neuralink, how many of you people really know about him? If you really know about him, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what my first expertise, brain computer interface technology. I think in the picture we had some device, like that is a brain sense device. We are the manufacturer of this brain computer interface device in India. So brain computer interface, that is what my first expertise which is about. And then I just moved on to the embedded system because I'm completely coming from electronics and communication engineering. So embedded system and then Internet of Things. Like in the embedded system, I used to work on some of the microcontrollers like 8051, Arduino kind of thing, and data science and artificial intelligence, and then blockchain, doing a mining, hyperledger kind of stuff. And currently I'm just working on robotic like autonomous robot design by using robotic operating system like ROS. So these are all my complete expertise about. So without wasting time, let us go for the AI. So are you guys all ready? Okay, if you are ready to learn, you just post I'm ready with 5 emojis in the live chat, guys. Are you guys all ready to learn? Okay, so I hope you people are having those kind of doubts. Sanjay, what is the difference between data science and data analytics? What are all the skills I need to get to become a data scientist? What are all the job roles I can apply for? What are all the tools I need to master? What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? What are all the types in it? So is these kind of doubt which is running in your mind? Okay, if it is so, please ready for this upcoming timing. Okay, upcoming minutes. Okay, if you are ready, you just post I'm ready with fire emojis in the live chat, guys. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting ready. Bharat, Aman, Aishwarya, Untold, and Sai Prasad. Thank you so much, guys. User group X, so cool. You are having fun. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. Ready, 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 ready. Wonderful. There are a lot of people are posting ready with fire emojis. I felt really happy. I'm feeling really happy by seeing these kind of stuff, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. So before going further, you just watch this image carefully. Okay. So I'll zoom this now. Okay. So just observe this image. Okay. Try to follow me. First of all, there is one blue color major circle. That is what? AI. Okay. So artificial intelligence. Okay. That is the artificial intelligence circle. So under the artificial intelligence circle, there are two types. One is strong AI, another one is weak AI. Okay. So before going further, you just tell me what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you guys have watched this so far. Because I hope each and every people the favorite AI based movies like AI involved movies like Iron Man, right? So how many of you people really know about those kind of movies? So if you have any kind of AI based movies, you just give that movies names in the live chat, guys. So I'll tell you why I just asked that question, because first of all, here we have artificial intelligence. Inside that artificial intelligence, there is two parts. One is strong AI and the one is a weak AI. While talking about the strong AI, the AI which we used to see in the movies, which it will do every task, like it will dance, it will run, it will fight, it will cook. So it will do every task. Okay, it is like learning every aspects of like environment surroundings. So that is known as a strong AI. Whereas the application which is the AI which is specifically focused for one application, those kind of AI is known as a weak AI. Okay, strong AI and weak AI. Yes, we are getting a lot of responses. Iron Man, yes. 2.0, iRobot, Terminator, Free Guy, Endiran, wonderful, wonderful, super guys. And then Real Steel, Ultron, and Transcendence. Thank you so much, guys. Wonderful answers. Endiran, Chitty movie, yes. And 2.0, great, great. Alita, the Battle Angel, yes, 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 exactly. Um, Transcendence, yes, yes, yes. Ex Machina, yes, it is a wonderful movie, Ex Machina. And then Avengers. Okay, so there are some funny response like Doraemon. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of movies. Sophia Robot, okay, it is not a movie, but yes, Sophia. Now, each and every people might know about that. Um, Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting wonderful answers. Yes. So in each and every movies, it used to do some tasks, like most of the tasks. So that is what the circle is. While talking about the AI, it is gonna understand something and it is gonna learn something and it is gonna improve by itself. Okay. So that is the AI, strong AI and weak AI. Strong AI, which is going to represent the AI which we used to saw in movies, and weak AI, which is specifically focused on for specific application. That is artificial intelligence. Inside that AI, that is the machine learning. Inside the machine learning, we have a deep learning. So of course, on the upcoming days, we'll be learning machine learning and deep learning in detail. Don't worry, with the help of projects. But now you just get some basic idea. AI. Inside that AI, machine learning is going to be subset of the AI, and deep learning is going to be subset of the machine learning. So artificial intelligence. Inside that, where we have machine learning, and inside the machine learning, we have a deep learning. So this is what the first major circle. On the other hand, we have the major circle, which is a data science. Data science is a huge topic. And inside that, it may have data analytics. Inside that, we may have data mining. Okay, likewise, there are also sub branches. And parallelly, we are also having a big data. So where it is going to handle a huge amount of data. So guys, did you guys clear understood, like do you guys have got clear idea about the structure? Okay, if you got, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. I got this. So artificial intelligence, inside that we have machine learning, inside that we have a deep learning. Whereas in the other hand, data science is going to be a major circle, which is also going to cover AI, ML, DL, as well as the big data. So that's why I just drawn the circle, which covered up this AI, ML, and then DL as well. So this is the data science, and the big data is also covered up, and data analytics and then data mining. So this is what the whole circle is. Okay, just a basic idea. Don't think, Sanjay, I don't know what is ML, what is DL, what is AI. Don't worry. Okay, we are going to be covering up in the upcoming days. So this is what the whole structure. Okay, so I hope you guys have got clear idea. So now what we are, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, please call me Sanjay. Okay, no need to tell or call sir. Okay, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting IGT Sanjay. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is what artificial intelligence. So these are like structures. So while talking about the movies, so in each and every movies, how they used to represent, they used to represent like they'll create one scientist will be there. That scientist will create one robot, and one point of time that will become a villain, and they'll create another good robot, and there will be a fight between the good robot and then bad robot, and good one wins. Good one will win. So yeah, so it is like usual movie kind of stuff. But other than that, while observing a movie, it is observing lot more stuff from the surroundings. So how to speak, how to walk, how to talk, how to fight, and how to do other actions like cooking or basic stuff. So it is doing some basic stuff and thinking, mathematical operation, calculations, and helping for other advanced research purposes. So these are the stuff we are observing in artificial intelligence. But try to compare. So let us try to compare with the human being, guys. Okay, so all you guys are ready to compare. Okay, if you are ready to compare, I'm ready. You just post I'm ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, because we are going to be covering a little bit in detail. Okay, okay, so what you just imagine, okay, yourself. Okay, guys, in this part you're going to be completely getting an idea about AI, ML, DL, NLP, and those stuff. So keep your complete attention to me, guys. Okay, so you just imagine, for an example, Ko Sunil is here, and Ranjit is here, Kavi Priya is here. So there are a lot of people are here, right? Balaji is here, Sahil is here, and Harish is here, Likith Reddy is here. Okay, so you just imagine, so Divya is here, Sri Devi is here. Okay, just see here. For an example, Amal, Akhilesh. So for an example, if there is Akhilesh, okay, Akhilesh is going to create a robot like him. Okay, clone of Akhilesh, kind of robot. So we just try to imagine. So for an example, if Sanjay is here, so I'm going to create a robot like me. So what are all the stuff I need to do? What I need to do is I have my intelligence. My intelligence is not only about my programming language skills, my communication skills, my writing skills, my physics skills, my chemistry skills. No, I have some skills such as like language, like object recognition. So if I'm showing this object to you, you will tell this is a mobile phone, right? If you are seeing this is also one kind of knowledge. It might be like vision based knowledge, smell based knowledge, taste based knowledge, and sense based knowledge. Likewise, I have as a human being, each and every people will have their knowledge. So if I'm going to create a robot like me, what I'll try to do is I will transfer my knowledge or my experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Are you clear? Okay, as a human being, if you are going to create a robot like you need to transfer your knowledge or your experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. So likewise, you need to transfer your knowledge or your experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. That is what the AI is. Now, let us compare or let us go a little bit in detail about the ability of the human being comparison. Guys, first of all, human can analyze identifying a pattern and making a decision. Guys, you just tell me, for an example, if your neighborhood, okay, if your neighborhood is cooking something delicious, okay, like it might be a biryani or it might be some sweet items. So guys, if your neighborhood is cooking something delicious, okay, what is gonna be is cooking something delicious, okay, what is gonna be your emotions? Okay, just post your emojis in the live chat, guys. What is gonna be your emotions, guys? Okay, so you just post your emojis in the live chat, because for example, if someone is cooking some sweet items, my reaction will be, wow, I really want to eat that, right? So you are analyzing something. You are analyzing the smells, like good smell versus the rotten egg smell, right? So analyzing, identifying a pattern, and making a decision, right? So you have a human ability. So you are analyzing the smell. You are identifying a pattern between a good smell like biryani versus like curd rice, or with some side dish, which is some rotten egg smell or some bad smell. So you are analyzing something and you are identifying a pattern and you are making a decision. So if you want to transfer, guys, are you all with me? Okay, this is a very important point. So you are analyzing something, you are identifying a pattern in it, and you are making a decision. It might be a smell, it might be a taste, it might be anything. So this ability, if you want to transfer to a robot, here the data. Of course, you all remember the previous point, right? As a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to land. So here, the data is going to be a numerical data. You just imagine. So if the people want to smell it, okay, smelling or sensing, if someone is touching and you are sensing it, so you have some sensory organs like senses, like nose and then tongue for tasting and smelling. Same as like we can put up a sensors for the robot. So to sense something like sensing the temperature, sensing the moisture level, kind of thing. So for as a human being, we have a sensory organs. For the robot, we can put up a sensor. So since we are putting up sensors, you are going to get a numerical data. And by using the methods such as machine learning and deep learning, you can train or you can transfer this ability to a robot. Are you clear? Okay. So what is that stuff? If you are so human having an ability like analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision, if that is the scenario, the data is going to be a numerical data, and the concepts such as machine learning and deep learning, we can transfer that ability to a robot. And instead of we are having a sensory organs, we can put up a sensors to a machine. Okay, so that is all about this first ability. And second ability, human can listen and speak. Guys, you just tell me, what is the common thing which we need to have for mutual communication? For an example, if I'm speaking to you, you are replying me, right? So what is the common thing which we need to have in common? So you just give your responses in the live chat. Because if I want to speak, you need to understand and you need to reply. So you are posting a lot of stuff like love you Sanjay, likewise you are posting a lot of comments here. So this is because you are understanding me and you are giving the reply. So that's why I'm telling you. For an example, let us take the second ability, human can listen and speak. Here the data is going to be not only the text, it is also text or audio data. Okay, so text or audio data, the data is going to be text or in audio format, and the methods such as machine learning or deep learning and natural language processing. So with the help of that only, we can able to process this kind of application. It might be a voice assistant, it might be a chatbot and etc. Yes, guys, wonderful, wonderful answer. The answers are like what is it? Language is the common thing which we need to have to for mutual communication. Exactly. And of course, we have ear and then mouth. For the robot, we can put up a speaker and then microphone, right? So if we want to transfer this ability to a robot, we need to have the concepts such as like machine learning, deep learning, and as well as especially natural language processing. This is what needed. And then human can see and recognize. For an example, if you are seeing this, you will tell this is a mobile phone, right? So if you are seeing this, you will tell this is a mobile phone, and this is a pen, and this is the marker, and this is the sketch pen, and this is the water bottle. So likewise, you used to identify each and every object, right? From the childhood, you guys have watched a lot of objects. Okay. For an example, if I'm showing like this, you will tell this is a mobile phone. Even if I'm showing like this, you will tell this is a mobile phone. Even if I'm showing like this, you will tell this is a mobile phone. Because you guys have used a lot wide varieties of mobile phone, right? For an example, if you are asking to 90s or 80s or 70s people, they guys have used keypad mobile phones, full screen mobile phones, touch screen mobile phones, infinity display mobile phones. Now we are using infinity display. For an example, if you are showing Nokia 110 to newborn kids now, they just throw away, right? So how many of you people agree to this point? If you all agree to this, you just post I agree Sanjay in your live chat. Yes, because they won't tell that is the mobile phone, because they'll tell that is like a kind of some cubic, some plastic thing. They won't tell that is a mobile phone, right? So because you have knowledge, you have used, and you guys have seen lot wide varieties of mobile phone, water bottles, lot of objects, lot of fruits, lot of vegetables, lot of stuff you guys have explored. So human can able to see and recognize. If we want to transfer this ability to a robot, here the data is gonna be image or video data, and instead of eyes, we can put up a camera here. And the concepts such as computer vision and deep learning, you can transfer this ability to a robot. Are you clear? Okay, guys, do you guys really love this explanation? If you really love this explanation, you just post I love this explanation Sanjay in your live chat. So what are all the stuff you guys have gone through? Machine learning and deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Are you clear? Okay, so what is the purpose? Why we are going for this? So if you really love this, you just post "I love this Sanjay" in your live chat, guys. Okay, so these are all the concepts. Okay, now you may have some questions which might running in your mind. Sanjay, if I want to start one AI project, how can I start? Guys, there are some mandatory steps. Number one, gathering a data. So let me explore that in my way. For example, you are going to create a robot to recognize mobile phone and then pen. Okay. So in my one hand, I have mobile, and in my another hand, I have pen. So if you want to create a robot to identify this is a mobile phone, if you are showing this mobile phone, it should tell this is a mobile phone. If you are showing this, it should tell this is a pen. And if you are showing this, it should tell this is a water bottle. So if that is the scenario, what is the first step you need to do is you need to collect the data. So okay, so this is the vision based recognition. So that's why I'm collecting images. If it is if it is like sensing, you may collect sensor like numerical data. So based on the concept or based on the project, you need to choose the data. But first step is collect the data. For example, if you are object, if you are AI want to identify mobile and then water bottle, what you need to do is you need to collect 1,000 images of mobile phone, 1,000 images of pen, like in this angle, in this angle, in this angle, in this angle, in this angle. So likewise, you just want to use different wide variety of mobile phone like iPhone or some other stuffs. So likewise, you need to use lot wide variety of like object. You need to collect lot of images as much you can, because this is a image based recognition. So that is what the first step. You need to collect 1,000 images of mobile phone, 1,000 images of pen. Okay, are you all with me? Okay, if you are with me, you just post I'm with you Sanjay in live chat. This is what the first step. You need to collect the data. And second thing, data preparation. So data preparation, it might include transformation. So if you really want to in the different format, if you really want to do that data transformation or data cleaning. So if you really want to remove some of the unwanted data, you need to do that. So first of all, first step is gathering a data. And second step is data preparation, which includes data transformation, converting one format to another, or data cleaning, so removing unwanted data. And third step, choosing a model. So for an example, choosing a model in the sense, for an example, if it is a mobile phone which is a pen classification, you need to choose this concept, computer vision and the deep learning. So choosing a model or concept. Okay, so model or concept. This is what the third step. And fourth step, we need to, once the algorithm has been chosen, so concept and algorithm as well. So, okay, so concept and algorithm. Once it has been chosen, you need to train your data by using the concept and an algorithm. Once the training has been done, your model, it will give some performance. So, like you need to tell, you need to observe what is the accuracy of the model, what is the loss of the model, what is the sensitivity of the model. So, likewise, we need to observe the model's performance. Okay, once the model performance is not satisfied, for an example, you are getting 91% accuracy, you need to tune some of the parameter to get better accuracy from 91 to, so for an example, if your performance accuracy is 91.1, you can tune some of the parameter to get accuracies like a 95.6% accuracy. Okay, so 95 or 99.9% even. So you need to tune some of the parameter. This is optional parameter, optional step. And then finally, once you got 99% accuracy, you can finally do the prediction. So you can deploy that project into your a robot to do that task. Okay, are you clear about these steps, guys? If you are clear about these steps, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in live chat. First of all, data collecting a data preparation, which includes data transformation and data cleaning, and choosing a model or concept and algorithm. And we need to train the data by using the model which we guys are choosing, and we need to evaluate the model to see the performance of the model, and we need to see the we need to tune some of the parameter to improve your accuracy, and finally you will get the prediction. You will get the you used to deploy that project in your application final deployment. So your model will tell you, for an example, if your accuracy is 99.9, if whenever you are showing this, it will tell this is a mobile. If you are showing this, it will tell this is a pen. So likewise, it will show the results. So are you clear? Okay, this is all about this AI concept, guys. I hope you got a fundamental strong. Okay, if you are strong enough now, you just post some strong. I'm strong Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you guys are clear? Okay, so this is what is all about this AI and some of the branches. And still something which is running in your mind, Sanjay, what are all the concepts I really want to know about the data analytics and data science? I'll tell you what and tell you about the studies, guys. You just try to remember one thing. There are one part like data scientists, people used to do working with the data and doing some stuff. But the core principle is you are going to solve some problem of a company. Okay, so even you might be a data scientist, you might be a data analyst, you might be a business analyst. You want to solve a problem of a company. For an example, I'll tell you some example for business analysis, because whenever I'm explaining with the help of example, you will completely get a clear idea. So I'll give an example. So for an example, one restaurant is there. Okay, so one restaurant is there, and the restaurant for past 3 months, the restaurant is really running very poor. Okay, there are a lot of losses. There are no customers coming in. There is no promotion. The restaurant is really running very poor. Certainly, what they'll do is they'll require one business analyst. So what the business analyst will do is, first of all, business analyst will collect as much data from that company, from that restaurant. So past sales results, past customer results. Likewise, they used to collect as much data they can, and as much offer, as much strategies, whatever the company is handled up to this date. Okay, up to this year, up to this date, they'll collect as much data they can, and they'll work with the data. They'll do the data transformation, they'll do the data cleaning. First of all, they'll acquire the data. So if the restaurant is maintaining the data in some databases, you need to acquire the data. Okay, you need to acquire the data, you need to transform the data, you need to clean the data, and you need to do the data visualization as well. You can simply add data visualization as well. Okay, so data visualization. So they used to visualize the data, and they'll get clear insights from the data as well. So in this month, sales started dropping. So in this month, they did something. So that is only the reason where it just completely affected the whole sales for the past 3 months. So likewise, from the data visualization, they used to get the insights from the data, and they'll tell these are the reasons where the sales started dropping. Right? So likewise, they'll discuss a lot with the help of the data insights which they got from that data visualization. And then they'll further move on to machine learning and deep learning to predict something. So if the company is running likewise, your sales will be on the 2025, the sales will be very much less. You might close your company. So likewise, they used to predict some results. That is what the end results, guys. Okay, are you clear? First point, data acquisition. You need to acquire the data from some source. Data transformation. So transforming some format of data to another format based on the data format which you need. And data cleaning, removing unwanted features, unwanted data, and taking only the clean data cleaning. And data visualization, it might be done by using different ways. Data visualization to get the clear insight from the data. And further, you can master some of the additional skills like programming with machine learning and deep learning, so that you will also use to predict or classify with the data they have to predict or forecast the results as well. This is what the flow. Are you clear about the flow? So if you are satisfied with my explanation, guys, you just post I'm satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. So this is what it's all about. So clarity about the studies. So while talking about the data analyst, they used to acquire the data, they used to pre-process the data, analyze the data, visualize the data. So data analytics deals with finding the patterns based on the past data to predict the future events. Okay, and then machine learning. So while talking about the machine learning, let us explore that machine learning types and those stuff on the upcoming days, because on the upcoming days we are going to handle a project. So by handling a project, I'm going to be explaining the machine learning. But previously they won't ask for the deep learning engineer, but nowadays they are also asking a deep learning. So these are all the stuff. So the people who are a beginner, you can become a data analyst simply mastering the basic stuff like data acquisition, data cleaning, data transformation, data visualization. You can become a data analyst. But additionally, you can also master the programming skills. Additionally, you can master the machine learning, deep learning, so that you can become a data scientist, because you will work from the start to the end. Data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, data visualization, prediction by using a machine learning or deep learning. And also you can also become a computer vision engineer as well. Simply, I don't want to work on that some numerical data as well. I really want to work on some images, autonomous car kind of thing. You can only become a computer vision engineer as well. Okay, so this is what the clarity about the studies. So if you want to, you can also simply work as a data analyst. You can also simply work as a machine learning engineer, but simply you can master the whole skills to become a data scientist. Data scientist is the whole biggest level. Okay, so this is what the clarity about the studies. I hope you guys have got clear idea. Okay, if you got a clarity, you just post some bulb emojis in the live chat. Bulb on Sanjay. I got some clarity kind of emoji you just posted in the live chat. Guys, still being non-exciting because you're going to create a chatbot within a few minutes. Okay, please be ready for it. Okay, so yeah, and then job roles. So what are the job roles you can apply for? There are a lot of job roles, guys. So for an example, you just see here how many job roles. I really don't want to read it, so by wasting your time, analyst manager, business analyst, statistician, machine learning engineer, data scientist, data analyst, data architect, data administrator. So likewise, there are a lot of job roles which you can apply for. And now there are very main primary question. Sanjay, what are all the skills I need to get to become a data scientist? If that is the question, I'll give the precise information to you. Number one, Excel. Yes. So initially people used to think, Sanjay, are you sure? Do I want to learn Excel? Definitely yes. Because Excel, it is not a normal tool. You can do a lot more stuff by using an Excel. You can do data cleaning, you can do automation, you can do data visualization, you can create a dashboard. So likewise, you can do a lot more stuff by using an Excel. So that's why the first skill I just represented here is an Excel. Excel is the first skill. And second, statistics. Statistics is gonna be the backbone of data scientist, guys. Statistics means it's simple. I think you guys have already studied in your school days, like mean, median, variance, standard deviation. I hope you all remember that. If you all remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in your live chat. So likewise, we have the statistics. Okay, statistics is gonna be the backbone of the data scientist. And then Python. So while talking about the programming languages, guys, there are a lot of programming languages which we can use it for. Okay, Python is there, C++ is there, R is there. But my suggestion to go for Python because it is going to be very easy to develop and easy to deploy. So that's my suggestion is to go for Python first. And then you can go for other programming languages. And then data visualization. So you need to work on how to visualize the data. What is the proper way to represent this data in a proper graph, pie graph or bar graph or column chart. So data visualization. And then NumPy and Pandas. These are all like some kind of like Python libraries. Definitely you will learn in the upcoming days. Don't worry about it. So you will learn that NumPy and Pandas, like handling data set. So for that, we need to master these kind of libraries and business intelligence tools. Like there are most popular business intelligence tools are like Power BI and then Tableau. So likewise, we have a lot of business intelligence tools. These are all business intelligence tools which you need to master. And seventh point, database. Like a database is like MySQL or MongoDB kind of databases you also need to master. And then machine learning, of course, deep learning. So these are all the roadmap to become a data scientist. Okay, so you just see here. Okay, so you just see here. First of all, we have an Excel and then statistics and then programming languages, data visualization, NumPy and Pandas, BI tools, which is like Power BI or Tableau, database skills like MySQL, MongoDB, machine learning and deep learning. Guys, how is the session is going on? Okay, you just give your responses in the live chat. You just give your feedback so that I'll just observe that feedback and I'll correct myself and I'll deliver the knowledge very precisely how you really want. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Okay, so I hope you really love this, guys. So this is the roadmap to become a data scientist: Excel, statistics, programming skills, data visualization skills, NumPy and Pandas library skills, BI tools, database, machine learning, and deep learning. So these are the skills to master to become a data scientist. Thank you so much. Afra posted something. Me and my brother have been watching this, and honestly, it is a great way of spending family time with each other. Oh my God, you are so nice. Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. It's really great. You are attending together. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So let us create a chatbot. So before that, it is like complete skills needed for an industry. It is small bit for data preparation. We need to get this. We need to know how to handle the data, like data source, data cleaning, data combining, data transformation, and number crunching. So how you are handling a numbers, like how you are handling a statistics, and then storytelling skills. Sanjay, are you sure? Do I really want to get the storytelling? Definitely you are. Even though your prediction is right, even though your insights are right, you need to have the ability to convey it in a proper way. So that's why you need a chart, how to create a chart in a better way, like applying more colors. It really looks like more clutter. Definitely not. You should avoid that. You need to have that skills as well. Chart, story, formatting, presentation, visual designing skills, and then asking a questions. So you also need to ask a lot of questions to your people who are asking you to do this kind of task. So why you need this? What should I include? What should I exclude? And how to display? Likewise, you need to ask a lot of questions. Asking question skills also needed, and technology or tool skills. So this is all the stuff you need. Okay. So these are all the stuff, guys. Do you guys really love my session? If you really love my session, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat. I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat. So likewise, you just spread some positive comments in the live chat, guys. Okay. So because we are going to create a chatbot. So how many of you people are really waiting for? If you are really waiting for, you just post, I'm waiting for Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting, I love this, like this, love this, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Okay. So before going on to this chatbot creation, some few minutes, let me take some few minutes for some clarification, guys. Guys, for learners, there are a lot of problems, a lot of pain points in their heart. What kind of pain points is like pricing? Because if you are wanted to study AI, the people used to sell their courses at the price of 70,000, 1,50,000. So the pricing of this advanced course is really too expensive. So price is gonna be the first pain point, and then lack of confidence. If you are so you are not going to be very confident to crack something. So I am from this department. I don't know programming languages. I don't know this. I'm not confident enough to become a data scientist. So lack of confidence and yearning. So you can't able to yearn a lot. So yearning. And then if you are also having some doubts which is running in your mind, is it the future technology? Will I get a job in the future? Vacancy. And trust. You are not getting a trust from a certain company or organization. And hesitation. You are hesitating your courses or learning for in a lot of ways. And overload if the information is overload. So likewise, we have a lot of pain points, guys. But you just try to imagine the solution. How about less price course? How about learning mindset? So not only skill set, you are also learning a mindset to achieve what you really want. It might be a financial need, it might be a skill need, it might be anything. And yearning, how about high paying job? While talking about a vacancy, how about in demand job? Okay, and then how about the trust? How about transparent environment? Okay, so how about transparent environment? And then how about hesitation? So like hesitation, how about that mindset to give the coaching for you? How about precise content with application based learning? I hope you really love this, and I hope you're really waiting for. Yes, based on these pain points, and we are providing a solution of providing an internship program. So what is that internship program is? In the YouTube, you need to attend each and every day. So recording will be deleted within 3 days, right? So you can't able to you can't able to have complete 30 days recording in a single shot. So you can attend the live, definitely you can attend, but after 3 days, that's day one will be deleted. So likewise, after each and every 3 days, the video will be deleted. But in the internship, we are providing that complete 30 days of video recorded lectures, 30 days of video lectures, and 20 plus projects with its source code, with its data sets, with the trained model file, everything which you really want. And lifetime warriors way community. So we are providing a social media. We are having a separate social media. So social media in the sense you can be part of that social media where each and every Zoom sessions which is going to be conducted in the social media. So in the social media, we are not only going to conduct the skill set, we are also going to conduct the entrepreneurship programs. We are also going to conduct the soft skills program, mindset program. You just see here there are a lot of past events we guys have conducted before, like PCB hackathon, payment gateway, how to sell any product through e-commerce website, how to design 8051, how to launch your website, design using Canva, and LinkedIn mastery, how to build your LinkedIn profile. So likewise, lot of Zoom session which is going to be conducted in the special social media. So this social media access, lifetime access, and then weekly mastermind session. Each and every Saturday there are some live session is going to be carried out, and bonus task and then assignment and technical materials like PowerPoint presentation, mind map, and the PDF and source code, data set, trained model file, everything which you really want. And with that, only e-certificate. It's not a printed certificate, guys. It is e-certificate. E-certificate means like it is like a soft copy. Okay, you can simply download that soft copy. That is what the e-certificate. And this complete internship course with a lifetime validity. How many of people really want to do this internship? This is a 30 days internship program, but that course validity is going to be lifetime. So how many of you people are really interested in it? If you are really interested in it, you just post I'm interested, Sanjay, in a live chat. Because this complete value, which is in the value of 42,000 rupees, which I'm going to provide at the only price of 999 rupees, right? So not a 750, it is really like 999. Okay, I think a lot of people have already registered this single course at the price of 999 rupees. So this is what this AI internship. But please wait. I have some surprise for you. What is the surprise is? Before that, this is the comparison, guys. Okay, let us skip that. How about, I'm going to provide another course, which is a Python course. Python means, yes, of course, it is definitely you need a Python programming skills. Even though you registered for only a course, some basic Python has been covered. But if you really want to master the Python, so Python course. So how about the complete Python course? Okay, so this is one separate course, which is only, it is alone cost you about 999 rupees. And then, how about machine learning and data analytics course? So likewise, what I'm going to provide is, I'm going to be providing 4 courses at the price of 999 rupees. How many of you people are really excited? So if you are really excited, you just post, I'm excited, Sanjay, in a live chat, guys. So what is the plan is, we are providing 4 courses. Okay, sorry, 4 courses with at the price of 999 rupees. But since it is our first day of this series, what is the plan is, I'm going to be providing 5 courses at the same price, 999. Okay, just see here what all the 5 courses are. Number 1, artificial intelligence, 30 days, which is single course alone, which is cost you around 999 rupees. And machine learning, which completely covers about detail on the machine learning, which is only about 999 rupees. Alone itself cost you around 999 rupees. And data analytics, which only cost you around 999 rupees. And Python, so which is alone cost you about 999 rupees. And deep learning, which is alone cost you about 999 rupees. But I'm going to be providing this complete 5 courses at the price of 999 rupees. Okay, how many of you people are really excited? Okay, if you are really excited and if you really want to register for it, register for the internship as soon. So this offer is going to valid only today. So only today around 11:59. Okay, 11:59 p.m. we are going to close this offer. So again, I'm telling you 5 courses. So once you have registered for this 5 courses, you will get the login access portal. So you will get access for this login access. You used to get that access for this portal, learn.pantechsolutions.net. You will get this number 1 course access, internship on AI. This is the 30 days course. And then machine learning. This is also a 30 days course. This is the second number course number 2. And then course number 3, data analytics. This is the course number 3. Okay. And then course number 4, Python. Course number 5, deep learning. So these are all the 5 courses. You are going to get this 5 courses at the price of 999 rupees. How many of you people are really going to register? If you are going to register, you just post I will register Sanjay in a live chat, or you just post I am Sanjay, I am in Sanjay in a live chat. So you just see here how the courses video is being. So there it is a 30 days course, which is covered like complete this AI agenda, which you are learning in the YouTube, because in the YouTube the source code is not going to be provided, but in the internship everything is going to be provided. Mind map, source code, data set, trained model file, PDF file, PowerPoint presentation, everything is going to be provided. This is the AI 30 days course, and this is the machine learning 30 days course. The machine learning 30 days course agenda is going to be completely different. It is also based on the project wise sales prediction, salary estimation, handwritten digit recognition. This machine learning course is really special because it covered more than 27 plus projects. You just imagine 27 plus project, it is really great, right? Just see here, nearly it is also a 30 days course. This is the first course, AI course, and this is the second course, machine learning course. And third course, which is a data analytics course, which covered the roadmap. First of all, it covered in Excel, Power Query using Excel, formula and pivot table using Excel, dashboard using an Excel, and then VBA macros for automation in Excel, and then statistics, and then permutation and combination probability, population and sampling, probability distribution, hypothesis testing, And then it covered the business intelligence tools like Tableau and then Power BI. Okay, Tableau, there are 3 days covered up the BI tools, and 3 days, 2 days which covered like Power BI. And then Python notebooks and installing libraries, basic Python programming for data analytics, and numerical NumPy library. I hope you already explored that. Numerical Python, NumPy library, Pandas library, Matplotlib library, Cbond library, Kaggle. So how to participate in Kaggle competitions, MySQL databases, SQL Python, NoSQL, MongoDB, machine learning, deep learning, COVID-19 detection from X-ray images, and tag identification using NLP. This is the third course. And fourth course, this is the Python programming. This is 10 days Python programming course. And deep learning, this is also 30 days, like neurons and perceptron activation function, gradient descent, backpropagation, diabetics detection using neural network optimizers, batch normalization, hyperparameter tuning, deep neural network, CNN and CNN architecture, different frameworks, object recognition. Just here, it is also based on the project. Face mask detection and social distancing monitoring, and introduction to CUDA toolkit and CUDNN for deep learning. Getting started with Intel Mobidius Neural Compute Stack 2, NVIDIA. So this is all 30 days course. Likewise, I am going to provide these complete 5 courses at the price of 999 rupees. You can register for that. The link which is given in the live chat. Guys, other participants, as we guys have given the commitment like 30 days free, yes. 30 days free is going to be there in the YouTube. You are going to attend that 30 days free and you are going to get the free webinar certificate for AI. But if you are only interested, if you want to become a data scientist, you can register for this 5-in-1 combo at the very minimal price of 999, because we used to sell in single courses at the price of 999. But today is our launch day. After a long back, we are launching this AI course. So that's why we are providing this offer to register 5 courses at the price of only 999 rupees. Okay, just click that link and register for this 5-in-1 internship. Now, thank you so much. A lot of people have posted I'm in. Okay, that's for those participants. Congratulations for those internship participants. You are in the part of our community, guys. Okay, so now let us create a chatbot. Are you guys all ready? Okay, if you are excited and if you are super ready, you just post I'm excited and super ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you guys are ready to create a chatbot? If you are ready to create a chatbot, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so yes, thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that I'm in. Okay, wonderful, guys. Okay, so wonderful. Okay, guys. Now we are going to create a chatbot. Yes. But before that, while creating a chatbot, there are a lot of ways to create a chatbot. For an example, by using a programming languages, we need to do a lot more stuff. There is also an alternative way by using online services. By using that, we can also create a chatbot by ourselves. That is also a second way. So we are going for the second way to create a chatbot by using online clouds. Okay, on that the most popular cloud, which is like Google's Dialogflow, that is what we are going to use to create a chatbot. And before that, you just tell me, guys, what are all the voice assistants you really know? Okay, so you just give your responses in the live chat. What are all the voice assistants you know? Just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Okay, before that, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that I'm in, Sanjay. Wonderful. Bhavya Gupta, I am clear and excited to learn new things, Sanjay. Superb responses. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Yes, we are getting a response. Google Assistant, Alexa, Siri. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are giving that responses. Google Assistants, Alexa, Siri. Yes, Bixby. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting wonderful responses. Yes. So while talking about the voice assistant, you just imagine, guys, you are going to speak something, ask something. Who is or like what is the time now? So this is gonna be the question to you are going to ask to your voice assistant. Like it might be a Siri, it might be a Google Assistant, it might be Alexa, it might be anything. So you're going to ask a question. So whenever you are asking a question, what is the time now? That audio is going to be recorded by using a microphone, and that audio is going to be converted into a text, audio to text conversion, and that text is going to be processed with the help of this machine learning or NLP, and then it is going to identify the reply, and that reply it is going to be in the format of text, And again, the text is going to be converted into audio. It is going to be give the response via the speaker. The time is 8:32 p.m. So this is what the workflow. So I'm talking about the workflow. It might be a voice assistant. It might be a chatbot. The intermediate process is going to be same. So where there is going to be text input and the feature extraction and identifying each and every word. What is that? What's the time now? And identifying the reply. And again, that text is going to be converted into a sound and it is going to be emitted via the speaker. This is what the flow. So we are going to create a chatbot by using a Google's dialog. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that I am born ready. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for posting that. Yes. So let us create a chatbot, guys. Okay, please rub your hands and be ready. Are you ready? Okay, if you are ready, you just post I'm ready with fire emojis in the live chat. You just post I'm ready with some fire emojis in the live chat, guys. Simply go to the browser. Okay, Google, you just visit the browser and type like dialog flow console. Dialog flow console. Okay, please type this dialog flow console. So if you are typing it, you will get the console URL. So dialog flow console. The URL is gonna be dialogflow.cloud.google.com. This is gonna be the URL of your chatbot creation. Okay, just visit this URL, guys. Okay, wait a minute. I think I've already created something here. Okay, so what we just want to do is you just visit that URL first. Okay, just visit that dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Okay, so it is free, guys. Okay, don't worry. Okay, first of all, visit that URL. Once you visited that URL, it is gonna ask you to choose or to log in your account. Okay, choose any of your Google account and you will be in this page. Okay, if you are in this page, you just post I am in this page Sanjay live chat. You just post I am Sanjay live chat. Did you guys have got this page? This is the home page where you are going to create or where you are going to start creating a chatbot. Okay, this is our home page where we are going to start creating our chatbot. So this is our URL dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Okay, this is where the home page are. Now, the first thing what you really want to do is you need to create an agent. Agent means what is the purpose of your bot? Okay, what is the name of your bot? That is your agent name. So there is a button called agent, create agent. Okay, I'm going really slow. Okay, if you really can't able to come up with me, watch that video later, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, watch this video later and you can come up with me, guys. Okay, you just want to click create agent. Okay, once you click a create agent, it is going to ask you the agent name. I'm going to create one robot called pizza ordering bot. Okay, I'm going to give the name like pizza bot. Okay, just see how the name has been given. So pizza all small letters and B is uppercase and OT. This is how the format has been given. Please use this kind of formats. Pizza bot. I'm creating one agent. Agent means how you are going to call your bot, your chatbot. So I'm going to call my chatbot in the name of pizza bot. So that's why I'm calling in the name of pizza bot. So once it has been done, click create. So once you guys have get that, your agent will be created. Okay, so I just click the create. So it is creating, it is working. You just see here, it is gonna create that agent. Okay, so we are creating that agent. Once you guys have created an agent, on the right hand side, you can check your chatbot. Guys, are you all with me, guys? If you are with me, you just post I'm with you, Sanjay, in a live chat. A lot of people are spamming for attendance, guys. People who are only coming for the attendance and only coming for the certificate, you can please leave the session, guys. Okay, because you are not in the right place. Okay, if you are the person who really want to learn something new, you are in the right place. But if you are coming for the attendance and only for the certificate, please you can leave the session, guys. Okay, other participant, if you are with me, you just post I'm with you, Sanjay, in a live chat. Okay, so up to now what we did, we guys have created a new agent. The agent name which I've kept is Pizza Bot. That is what we guys have did. And what is the first step is, let us explore the small talk. On the left hand side, we have a lot of menus. So from those menus, there is the button called small talk. Okay. So you just click that small talk button. Okay. Small talk option. So what is mean by small talk is, for an example, if you are creating a chatbot, lot of funny or basic question will be there. Hi, hello, good morning, how are you? You are good. You are bad. Good evening. So likewise, some basic questions will be there. So those questions can be programmed by using this small talk. First of all, go for the small talk option and first of all, enable it. Okay. First of all, you just enable it. Once you guys have enabled it, here there are a lot of options like about agent, courtesy, emotions, hello, goodbye, about user, confirmation, other questions. You just see here about agent. Who are you? So if someone is asking who are you to your chatbot, what is going to be the reply? So I'm going to give the reply. I am PizzaBot. Okay. So likewise, you can add a lot of answers. For an example, I'm adding furthermore different answers like I am Sanjay's bot. Okay. So I am a chatbot. Okay. So likewise, you can add a lot of answers for the question which is already asked here. So who are you? How old are you? So that is also another question. How old are you? If someone is asking to your chatbot like how old are you, what your funny answer is gonna be? I am a bot. You idiot. Okay. So likewise, you can add some funny answer. I am. I don't have any age. Okay. Likewise, you can add answers for lot of asked questions like who are you? How old are you? You are annoying. Answer my question. You are bad. Can you get smarter? You are beautiful. What is your birth date? You are boring. So likewise, there are a lot of questions which has been asked by themselves. So it is the default. Lot of questions are there. So you can add, you can reply or you can give lot of answers. Okay, it's not mandatory to fill up, but if you are filled up, it is gonna be a wonderful chatbot, guys. Okay, so likewise, whatever the question, you can just fill up your answers. But remember one thing: once you guys have given the answer, you just want to click save. Okay, we are getting some response like I am immortal. Yes, wonderful, wonderful answers. I am immortal. Okay. So likewise, the answer which has been given by Faisal, yes. So likewise, you can give a lot of answers for the question which has been asked by default. But try to remember one thing. Whenever you are typing something, don't forget to click save. Otherwise, it won't train. Okay, please click save and click done. Okay, that's it. And once it has been done, you can check your chatbot from the right hand side option. There is a right handed option. There you can ask the same question. So for an example, I'm testing my bot like, hello, good day, what can I do for you today? So it is asking us default. Okay, for an example, I'm asking a question like who are you? I'm a pizza bot. Do you really love this, guys? If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Do you really love this? If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So whenever you are asking the question, it is giving the reply here. For an example, if I'm asking the same question, who are you? Just see here, I am not using the same syntax. I'm using who are instead of you. I just dropped you, but it gave the proper reply. So I am a chatbot. Okay. Whenever you are asking the same question again and again, it is giving some reply. Sorry, I didn't get that by spelling mistake, I think. Okay, because I've just given more you. Okay. So whenever you are asking, it is giving some different reply. I am a Sanjay's bot. How old are you? Let us ask the second question. How old you? I don't have any age. I can ask in any way. So how old you? Okay. It does not mean that you need to give the proper question like that. Whenever the people are giving like how old are you? How old you? How old? Likewise, it will automatically learn from it and it will give the reply like this. I don't have any age. I am a bot, you idiot. I am a immortal. So likewise, it will give a lot of funny answers. based on the answers which are given as a default. So this is what the small talk are. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat text. So this is what is all about the small talk. While talking about the small talk, it is about giving some reply here. So, okay, you can test your chatbot on the right hand side. So this is what the small talk. There are some default questions. You can fill up each and every answers. You can give multiple answers so that it will automatically give you the reply by itself. So this is what it's all about. Okay, so that's all up to this part. And let us go for the guys. Are you guys are clear about the small talk? If you are clear about the small talk, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Are you clear? Okay, if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you guys are clear? If you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat. Thank you so much, Bhavya, for posting very awesome session, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let us create some intent. So what is mean by intent is pizza ordering bot. So what kind of bot you are going to create? So is it a pizza bot, or is it what is it? Is it like a food ordering bot? Is it a ticket booking bot? So what kind of bot you are going to create? So that is what the intent is. Okay, agent is your bot's name, and intent is what kind of bot you are going to create. So we are going to create an intent. Like I'm going to give the name like pizza bot. Okay, so I'm going to create an intent. So in the intent name, I'm going to give the name like pizza bot. So pizza bot. Okay, I'm giving the name, same name. So yeah, so I'm just giving the same intent. Okay, so my bot is gonna be helpful for ordering the pizza. Now, under the training phrases, you can add some training phrases. For an example, you can add some training phrases like, for an example, let me add some training phrases. You just see here. Okay, add the training phrases. I'm just going to add some training phrases like order me pizza. Okay, likewise, you can add lot of training phrases so that it will train by the sentence which you are giving. Okay, order pizza. Order me pizza. Okay, so likewise, you can add some training phrases, and once the training phrases has been done, it is gonna giving the final text response like pizza ordered. Okay, that's what the final response we have given here, and you can click save. As I've already told you, whenever you are doing something, please don't forget to click save. So once you have done a save, it's showing like intent is saved, and once it has been done, you can check your chatbot by using this way. I'm going to check the bot now. Order pizza. I'm typing that, you just see here pizza ordered. Okay, so training phrases, whenever you are adding some training phrases, it is going to train by the phrases which you guys have added, and finally it is going to give that text response. You can also give multiple responses as well. Pizza ordered, or pizza order is done, pizza ordering is successful. So likewise, you can give those kind of responses. Okay, so this is what it's all about. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to add some other training phases. Okay, guys, lot of people are posting stop it, Ashwin. Guys, if you are not interested, you can leave. Okay, this session is not only about because as I've already told you that this technical session is going to be covering up 90 minutes at the starting stage itself. And if you are really not interested, you can leave the session. The people who really wanted to learn from me now, so if you really people who really excited to create a chatbot, you can stay, guys. Okay, the people who are going to stay now, you just post I will stay Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, yeah. So this is what the first of all, we guys have created an agent, and we guys have created an intent, and we guys have enabled the small talk as well. And inside the training phase, we guys have added some phrase like order pizza, order me a pizza, order me a pizza. Likewise, we guys have added some training phrase. And in the final responses, we guys have given some text like pizza order. That's it. So whenever you are ordering a pizza, you can give different sentence as well. Please order me a pizza. So whenever you are giving that, it is giving some responses like pizza ordered. That's it, the first response. But definitely people want to ask furthermore question. In which mail ID? Please enter your mail ID. Just see here how I'm going to add the training phrase. Order me a pizza to the mail ID of I'm giving some format, guys. So why I'm giving this format? What is the purpose, guys? If your bot is asking a mail ID, like so tell me your mail ID, to which mail ID I need to order a pizza. If someone is typing like a hello and some numbers, it should not work because it is not a valid proper email ID. So you are giving some mail ID format, sanjay@gmail.com. So what you just do is, I'm just giving some format like name@gmail.com. I'm giving that format, and you just simply select that by your mouse pointer, and it is showing a lot of options. Like into the filter, you just type mail. Okay, just see here email, sys.email. Just want to select that. So it will be highlighted. Okay, so it will be highlighted. Once it is being highlighted, you can click save. And once you guys have saved, here manage parameter and action, you can select that. Just see here, now it is asking email. What you just want to do is, you just want to enable that, and inside the prompt you need to ask a question like enter your email ID. Okay, likewise you can ask a lot of questions. In which email I need to order pizza. So likewise you can ask multiple questions here. Okay, once the question has been asked, you can just want to save. Okay, so I'll show you what. Okay, so now you'll understand. Once you have start seeing that output, you can able to understand this. Okay, just see here, I'm going to ask the question, order me a pizza. How many people are really surprised? Okay, it is asking the question, in which email ID I need to order a pizza. So it is asking an email ID. But now, if I'm giving like this, enter. You just see here, again it is asking the same question, enter your email ID. Instead, if I'm giving some numbers, enter. Again, you just see here, same, it is asking the same question, enter your email ID, because it is not a email ID format, because we guys have already configured sanjay@gmail.com as a sys.email. This is the proper email format. So that's why, even though you guys have entered phone number, even though you have entered text with the phone number, it is asking the same question again. So until you are entering in the proper format, it will ask the same question again and again. Now you just let us observe the surprise thing. I'm going to give like praveen@gmail.com. So I'm giving the proper email ID format and click enter. Okay, just see here, pizza ordered. Do you guys really love this? If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. If you really love this, guys, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So simply, we guys have created some simple bot. But additionally, if you really want to add further more stuff, just see here. So order me a pizza in the mobile number. Guys, please don't try this number. I'm just giving some funny number. Okay, it's just some sample number. Okay, I'm giving some number and select that number. And inside this entity option, I'm going to give the entity like phone number. Okay, PHO. So sys.phone number. Just select that phone number and click save. So once you guys have saved the phone number, it is asking, it is just enabled the another option, phone number. So I'm selecting that action, and here in the prompt you need to ask a question. Enter your phone number. So likewise, you just want to ask the another question and click close. That's it. And click save. And now let us test your chatbot. Order pizza. And it is asking me the first question, enter your mail ID. Even though you are typing text, it won't work. It is going to ask the same email ID. Even though you are typing a number, it is going to ask the same email ID until you are typing the proper email ID. I'm giving the another new mail ID, champ@gmail.com. Enter. Enter your phone number. So in the phone number place, if you are typing like this, it won't work because it is looking for the proper number format. So now if I'm giving some proper number format and enter, it's ordered. Guys, how the session is really going on? Okay, if you really like this, you just post I like this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Okay, and if you really want to shift that question, you can also shift that question by clicking this arrow, and you can add the phone number first and email second. And if you really want to print additionally, if you really want to add something, for an example, again I'm adding something, order me a pizza to Chennai. Okay, I'm just adding something, and you can select the Chennai and you can add address, you can add time, you can add whatever you really want. There are a lot of default entities available, guys. Okay, I'm going to click save and address, and in the prompt I'm going to ask that address, enter your address. Okay, I'm going to click close, and here you can also furthermore you can print something. So pizza order, pizza ordered to the mail ID of, you can use the dollar symbol to access that entity. Okay, email, and in the to cross verify. Okay, to into in the phone number of, again, dollar. Okay, the entity is phone number, and to the address, you can print the address as well. Just see here, let us observe the output, then you'll understand it clearly. I just clicked save. I'm going to run the chatbot again now. So I'm going to order a pizza now. Pizza order. Okay, so whatever I really want, it will work properly. Just see here, first of all, it is going to ask my phone number. So I'm going to give the phone number now, any phone number, enter, and it is asking my mail ID. My mail ID is sanjay@gmail.com. Enter your address. It is asking address, like let me call like Pune. Just see here, the response is pizza ordered to the mail ID of sample@gmail.com, and in the phone number of the number which the customer is given to the address Pune. Guys, do you really love this, guys? If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So likewise, you can add email ID, you can add phone number, you can add address, you can add address with the period, you can add you can add time. So whatever you really want, you can add some entity. So this is what is all about the basic chatbot. If you really love this, guys, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so that's all up to this. Now, for an example, if you want to create your own entity, because these are like phone number entity, address entity, email entity, but if you really want to add topics, so if you want to ask a question, Sanjay, I want to create a chatbot, want to ask my toppings, what toppings do you need? Guys, the people who really love pizza, you just enter the list of toppings, so that I'm going to add it in my entity. So I'm going to create a new entity. Click that entity button and click create new entity. And in the entity name, I'm going to add a name called topics. Okay. And I'm going to add a new entity now. So my new entity is, okay, let us check it out from our people. Guys, any toppings? Okay, any pizza toppings do you really know? So that toppings, you just enter it in the live chat, so that I'm going to add it here. Okay, a lot of people really hate pizzas. Wonderful. Okay, paneer. Okay. Okay, paneer topping. Okay, and then any other toppings, guys? Pineapple. Okay, pineapple topping. Any other topping, guys? Cheese. Yes, cheese. And then any other topping, guys? Pepperoni. Wonderful, wonderful. Pepperoni. Okay, if there is any spelling wrong, don't mistake me. Okay, and then olive. Okay, yeah. So likewise, we are adding some toppings here. Okay, and spicy. Okay, you can also add something. So likewise, you can add a lot more toppings here, and you can click save. So now we guys have added a new topping. Now again, go to the intent and click your pizza bot and go for the training places. So you just see here, order me a pizza with cheese or spicy toppings. Okay, I'm going to select the spicy, and here your entity will be here. So toppings is the entity which I created already. I'm going to select the topping. Okay, once the topping has been created, click save, and the topping is available now. And you just see here, I'm going to add a prompt. What toppings do you need? Okay, so likewise, you can add a lot of questions here. And pizza ordered, likewise, it is going to give everything, address with the toppings name, right? So toppings, Thank you for your order. Okay, likewise, we are giving some responses and click save and done. And in the try it now option, you can give that question. Order me a pizza. Enter your phone number. It is asking my phone number. Enter. In which email ID? It is asking my mail ID. I'm giving some email ID. Enter your address. I'm giving some address. What toppings do you need? So I need cheese now. Enter. Pizza order to the mail ID of champ@gmail.com and in the phone number of the number and the address Chennai with the cheese topping. Thank you for your order. How many of you people really love this chatbot session? How many of you people really love this day one session? If you really love this day one session, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. And additionally, if you really want to integrate your chatbot, so in the integration, if you are going for the integration, you can also integrate in your web demo. So I'll show that now. So I'm just going to enable it, and you can go like this. You can get this chatbot like this. So here the same kind of chatbot. Order pizza. It is going to ask enter your phone number. I'm going to enter the phone number, and in which email ID I'm going to order in the mail ID of Sanjay at gmail.com, and enter your address. Enter address is Madurai. Sorry, asking its spelling mistake is there, so it is automatically identifying that. So Madurai, what toppings do you need? I need a spicy. Just see here, pizza order to the mail ID of sanjay@gmail.com, and in the phone number is there to the address Madurai with spicy toppings. Thank you for your order. This is what the chatbot we guys have created, and the additional bonus session which is given for the internship participant. What are the additional bonus are? You can integrate your chatbot with your Google Assistant, guys. How many of you people really excited to know about it? So you have a Google Assistant in your phone, right? So each and every people you are having a Google Assistant. Okay, Google, what is the time now? Okay, Google, who is the president of India? You used to integrate, right? So you used to call like that. So you can also integrate your chatbot with your Google Assistant as well. So that kind of bonus session which has been given for the internship. The internship means the 999 rupees. The people who really paid 999 rupees, for those people, that kind of bonus session which is also been given, guys. Okay, if you are seeing here a masterclass, here we guys have given this integration of your chatbot with your web server and a Google Assistant. You just see here, we guys have integrated. I just taught you how to integrate your chatbot with your voice assistants, like your Google Assistant. So everything I just taught in this session as well. Okay, just see here. Here you can speak and you can ask something like talk to Pantech.ai chatbot, order me a pizza. So what about the product? So likewise, you can ask a lot of questions to your Google Assistant. So how to integrate your chatbot with the web server? For an example, if you are maintaining a website, how to integrate your chatbot with the web server, how to integrate your chatbot with the Google Assistant. So likewise, everything which is being given for the internship as a bonus session. Okay, if you are really interested, you can register for the internship to feel the value, guys. Okay, so I hope you really love this, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the session. If you really enjoyed the session, you just post I enjoyed the session, Sanjay, in your live chat. And the surprise thing which is all about is the people who really like the amazing gift option. So what is the amazing gift option is the people who are all going to answer a 5 question. For those people, I'm going to give one brain computer interface course absolutely free. Okay, so brain computer interface course we also have as a hands-on course. Okay, so here we have that course here, the Pantech University. So here we are also providing a course called brain computer interface course, which is also hands-on. I just interfaced my brain with my computer. So this is one of the advanced course ever. So this is also advanced course. The people who are all going to answer those questions, people are answered, I'm just going to filter some of the people, and for those people I'm going to give this brain computer interface course absolutely free. I hope you really love this. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. And before that, another main thing, guys. Yes, again I'm telling you at last, the people who are all going to pay 999 rupees today, or the people who already paid 999 rupees for a single course, those people are going to get 5 courses. Artificial intelligence course, 30 days course. Machine learning, 30 days course. Data analytics 30 days course, Python 10 days course, deep learning 30 days course. Likewise, 5 courses I'm going to provide for 999 rupees alone. The people who really want to feel more value, the people who really want to become a data scientist, the people who really want to get the skills where you need to pay 70,000 rupees at a very minimal price, this is the right time for you. So only pay 999 rupees, the link which is available in the live chat and the description. Just simply click the link and pay the 999 rupees and get this 5 courses. The people who already paid, those people are also going to get that additional 4 courses, guys. Okay. So if you really enjoyed the session, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in a live chat. And some of the mindset session is also there. While talking about the mindset session, I really want to cover up that mindset session tomorrow on the morning itself, because while talking about the mindset, guys, why we really want to learn the mindset. Okay, guys, only few minutes. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So why we really want to learn a mindset is, guys, if you are really only good at skill set, you won't go to the higher level. Because if you are talking about a Sundar Pichai, if he is only good at skill set, he might become, he might only be the employee. But other than that, he is also having a lot of positive attitude, leadership skills, decision making skills, and team management. Likewise, he also have a lot of skills other than that, technical skills. So that really made him to become a CEO of Google, and now he became a CEO of Alphabet. So that is where the main mandatory of mindset is. So the mindset session is really needed. From tomorrow, we are gonna be having the mindset session on the upcoming days. And before that, again, I'm telling you, today is gonna be the last day to get 5-in-1 courses at the price of 999 rupees. The people who already registered, you just post I registered Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so the people who already registered for the 5-in-1 course, you just post yes, I registered Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so by registering for that, you are going to get that complete 5 courses recordings. Okay, so not 100 days, it is like 5 courses recordings and 90 plus projects. You can add it in your resume, so which you really familiar, you can add those top 10. And the technical materials like PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, dataset, train the model file, everything you can get. And lifetime private community and 5 courses with a lifetime validity with E certificate. So you are going to get AI internship certificate, machine learning internship certificate, data analytics internship certificate, Python internship certificate, and deep learning internship certificate. Likewise, you are going to get 5 internship certificate. So finally, we are in the Q&A part. If you guys have any questions, you can ask your questions in the live chat. And the people who still didn't follow me on the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below, just click that link and follow me through the LinkedIn, because I'm gonna be giving additional or upcoming updates through the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below, you just click the link and follow me through the LinkedIn. Okay, yeah, let us interact, guys. If you guys have any questions, you can ask your questions in the live chat. Access for lifetime, yes, access is for lifetime, guys. Guys, is there any other questions? Suman, I got only AI how to climb for. Guys, if you register for the internship, please wait for 24 hours. Once the 24 has been done, so you can able to visit that learn.pantechsolutions.net, so that you can able to see your courses has been unlocked. Okay, you can start exploring your course. Project with source code, definitely project with source code is going to be provided. Sir, validity of 999 course, it is lifetime. Okay. Mastermind Kurt, bro, is chatbot project worth for final project? Definitely yes, but we need to go in detail. Okay, we need to create a lot. We need to go very in detail. We need to work a lot on the chatbot. Only this is not going to be enough, but additionally, we need to do a lot more stuff. We need to do a lot more. In which field can we use a chatbot? There are a lot of ways, guys. Support system. Whenever there is a support system is needed, you can deploy the chatbot there. Sumit Roy, I don't have any coding and technology. Is it for me or not? Definitely it is for you, because we guys have taught everything from the scratch. How to install a Python, how to uninstall a Python, how to install a library, how to import a library. Likewise, everything has been taught completely from the scratch. It is not going to require any prerequisites. It is completely from the scratch. Even though you are zero in AI or Python programming, you can start learning. Okay, you can register for the internship. Chaityan Raj, can we listen this in YouTube, Sanjay, for non-registered members? Guys, in YouTube, you can attend each and every day live, but that video will be deleted within 3 days. Okay, so that's the reason I'm just suggesting you to register for the internship. The video will be deleted within 3 days. If you are okay with that, you can go for it. But additionally, the program source code is not going to be provided for the YouTube webinar participant, but you can see that I'm not going to hide it. You can see and you can type and you can do. But if you really want as like a zip file, that is only available for the internship. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting a lot of questions. I can't able to get the questions. It is really running fast. Hope to learn everything from the scratch, not getting any directions. Only hope is now. Wonderful, wonderful. No problem. Untold Shayari. Don't worry. Okay, we are here to guide you from the scratch, guys. Akansha, you are brilliant, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Please call me Sanjay, guys. But sir, I make sign recognition project, but I really enjoy your session. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Guys, do you really enjoy the session? If you really enjoyed the session, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, do you guys have enjoyed the session? Okay, if you guys have enjoyed the session, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. Really thankful. Thank you so much, Glenn, for posting that. Guys, from tomorrow, it is going to be detailed hands-on. Okay, a lot of practical, very less theory. So don't miss any session, attend each and every day so that you'll be having a lot of project in your hand, guys. Okay, so don't miss any of the session because we are going to do lot of hands-on, lot of practical than the theory. Okay, guys, I think we just came to an end. And if you guys have any question, you just ping to this Telegram number 93630832832 to this Telegram number, not WhatsApp or call. And if you guys have any project or product related inquiries, please visit pantecsolutions.net. And the people who still not followed me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below, you just click that link and follow me because I'm gonna be giving the updates through the LinkedIn hereafter. So the people who still not followed me through the LinkedIn, please follow me through the LinkedIn. The people who still not having an account in the LinkedIn, please create an account in the LinkedIn because it is really a professional thing. So it does not mean that having an account in Instagram or something like that. Please create an account in LinkedIn. It is really professional and you can build your network. Please build your network by connecting with me through the LinkedIn, and you can share your experience on the LinkedIn and you can tag me through the LinkedIn. So yeah, so that's all up to the session, guys. And from tomorrow, I'll stick with my timing. Okay, I'm not going to take more than 60 minutes, I think. Moreover, I'll try to do that. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. So if you really enjoyed it, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support, especially. Thank you so much for attending the whole session. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks. Okay. So yeah. So that's all up to the session, and don't miss out the upcoming session. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session, and have your dinner and have a great sleep, guys. Thank you so much and bye.